So if you're thinking of getting the SMALLRIG magnetic action camera adapter, then this is my honest opinion and review. I've had this for over a year now, and there's several things I like about it and a couple of things to bear in mind, so I'm going to go through those now. So the first thing I love about this is that it does exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, as you can see, you can flip, you can decide whether you want to use the screw mount adapter here and have, you screw in a tripod to the bottom, and then this section clips magnetically onto your action camera, like your DJI Osmo, for example. Or if you want to fold these flaps down like this, they very easily fold down, and now you can use any action camera mount, like all of the GoPro ones, Osmo Action, and all the other ones. You can use those mounts as well. So that's what it's supposed to do. It does that very well. What I like about it is that it has a very high quality feel to it, especially the little clips here. They feel very high quality and strong. And it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So the one thing to bear in mind is that, and I didn't realize this until I got it, is that this is on the heavy side. So it feels like, it's not super heavy, but it feels heavier than you would expect because it's basically metal. So it depends how much you care about that. If you're, on the road, if you're traveling and you want something super lightweight, this does add a little bit of extra weight. But if you're driving around and you don't really care about how heavy your rig is, or if you don't care about a few extra grams, then this is not a problem. But it's just something to bear in mind. So I'm just going to show you now attaching it to the camera. As you can see, it just magnetically clips on, and it's pretty much attached there. This is the DJI Osmo Action 3, but it attaches to any of those types of cameras. And then to unattach it, you just grasp the sides, pull, and the magnet's quite strong, but yeah, you can just pull it off. So if you're looking for an adapter, this is for a very specific purpose. It's for people who want to attach real tripods as well as action mounts to an action camera. You don't have a lot of choices. This is as far as I know, one of the only ones that can actually do that. And it means you don't have to carry around two different adapters. You can just carry this one. So I do use this, this is part of my kit. And so I would highly recommend this SMALLRIG adapter.